This video will quickly guide you through setting up student accounts. Administrators should refer to the Quick Teacher and Student Setup Guide, sometimes called the Getting Started Guide, for information on setting up teacher accounts. Let's get your student set up. Type in your username and password and click Sign In. Click on Accounts in the upper right corner, then select the Students tab and click Start. Students don't have personal accounts. Instead, they share generic logins. This makes it incredibly easy to set up and manage student access, while eliminating student data privacy concerns. You'll be prompted to choose one easy-to-remember username and password for your students. Students can log in simultaneously using these credentials. You will never need to worry about students forgetting their individual usernames and passwords. That's it. Reach out to us if you need any more information or insights for success.